I'm Kanaka and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the 2021 planner by Simba Lifestyle. If you don't already know, Simba Lifestyle is the brand of this YouTuber called Mridul Sharma. But before starting with today's video, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and let's get started. So Mridul Sharma is an Indian YouTuber, and she and her friend Aditya Naik launched this brand called Simba Lifestyle 3 years back. And this is my first time purchasing anything from Simba Lifestyle, and this is the planner that I purchased. Obviously more details are on in her video. I'm going to link it over here so that you can check that out. Now I purchased this planner when there was a sale going on, like pre-order sale, which is why I purchased this at $7.99 inclusive of shipping, but currently I think it is for 1000 rupees. You can definitely check out everything on their Instagram page, which I'm going to put in the description box below. Now let's get started with the review. So here is an unboxing video of this planner. Now to start with, this planner is pretty big for the size that I actually imagined, which is a good thing, because in the photograph I don't know why it looked smaller, but in real it's like this big. So it's good, and it's pretty thick also because it has a lot of pages. And they also gave a free pen which has a stylus in the back, like you can use your phone, and I tried using my phone with this stylus and it totally works. Coming to the actual planner, so this is how the planner actually looks with the pen and stuff. The cover page, when you open, there are these sticker sheets of holiday, to buy, weekend, party, birthday, big day, then to do, remember, gratitude, urgent, which I think is really quirky, helpful, nice. Definitely put a lot of thought into it. Then this was, I am sure you will not be surprised by why this sticker sheet is my favorite, because it has a watermelon sticker. I think these four are like hand drawn. I'm not really sure about the rest, but then there are these stickers. There's a bookmark over here for Simba Lifestyle, and there's a pouch, and inside the pouch I have kept this note that I received when I shopped. Now coming to what is inside of this planner is obviously the heading. Then there's just a quote over here. This 2021 belongs to. Then comes the design credits, and I mean basically the credits, and a small note from Mridul and Aditya. Then there's a vision board where you can stick pictures or just write down stuff that is like your vision for 2021. Then your goals. I think this is really interesting. What you can put your favorite memory for each month in this page. 21 things to do before 2021 ends, which is like a bucket list sort of a thing. This is a year at a glance. Now these are hand-drawn paintings, and in the back there's a postcard, so you can literally tear this off and use this like a postcard. And over here, like to each painting, is the month written over here. Each month has a color. Then there's a letter to yourself for life, health, work, a month at a glance, and there's a note section over here. Now the only problem that I have with like the weekly spreads in detail are that there are no days written over here, so I myself had to sit down and write each day. At the end of January, there's an expense tracker, monthly budget, and habit tracker, monthly checkup. Checkup is like not a medical checkup, it's just like you have to answer some questions over here. And then the next month starts. At the end of June, there's some interesting stuff. I love the paintings of each month, by the way. yeah, there was the memory collection where you have to write your best memory for each month, like Jan to June, and then mid-year goals. And there are no topics written over here so that you can completely personalize it yourself. There are so many sheets for your travel plans in 2021. I really hope they get successful. There are so many sheets, literally so many sheets. Then there is again a memory collection or 2021 in review, and then there are some empty pages for notes. Again a pouch to put your stuff into, and that's it. And this is how the back page looks, with again a note and the Simba Lifestyle card, note, whatever that you want. So after this quick overview of the planner, I'm going to share my thoughts regarding this planner with you. Now firstly, like we can clearly see there's so much of thought put into making this, like curating this planner, and the price point wise it's like great, because for 1000 rupees you're getting so much, like you're getting so many sticker sheets, and they're useful stickers. They're not just like ऐसे ही दिए देने के लिए दिए है type stickers. There are like the urgent ones, like the urgent birthdays and all those word stickers are really helpful, I feel. And the size, like look at the number of pages for each month, plus they are giving a free pen with stylus, so it's great. Now some things that I think could have been better or are extremely well are that, firstly let's go with the could have been better part so that this video ends on a good note. Now सबसे पहले I feel that this pen is not really compatible with the pages of this planner, because when I use this pen separately with any other paper it works great, but with these pages I don't know, for some months I think it has some problems. Some papers it just does not work, like especially the first paper where I had to write my name. I had really a difficult time making this pen work, despite having already used it on some other paper. So I think for some pages of this planner this pen is not compatible. Secondly, what could have been better was that, so for each weekly spread I feel like they have just given the dates. They could have also mentioned the days, so it is really helpful and it's quick. So every time I don't really have to refer to the main monthly calendar and then go back. If I can just look at the day, like which day is on what date. Okay, if they would have just written the initial also, that would have been okay, but they have just given the numbers over here. So that is what I feel could have been added in the planner. Next, being a design student, I don't know, I mean, don't take it the wrong way, but I just feel like when you are using a very decorative typeface, I think it is better to not use the bulky typeface for like a paragraph. Okay, so the heading looks beautiful, looks perfectly fine, but when you're writing a paragraph or when there are too many words going to be like put in one space, I think using a non-chunky, a non-bulky typeface would have looked better. Like if they would have just stuck to this typeface but using the uppercase and the lowercase for the budget sheet, it would have looked visually sound. Now let's come out to the positives of this planner. Firstly, as I said, there's so much of thought put into this planner. I even read the note. It said that they have titled this planner as the Travel Within because 2020 has been one amazing year, sarcastically saying that obviously, but 2020 has been one hell of a year and we obviously could not travel like we wanted to. So this Travel Within 2021 is like you are looking forward to traveling the next year. Even if you don't want to travel physically or you can't travel physically, you travel within yourself, like you introspect a lot, which is why they have named this planner as Travel Within, which I think is a great concept. Now obviously the catch for me in this planner are the paintings, like the postcard and painting idea. The paintings are hand-drawn, which is what makes them stand out from any other planner. Honestly, when you put in your own efforts, like digital efforts are obviously important, but when you also make something hand-drawn or handwritten, it adds your own special touch to it, and I think that is what makes you feel closer to the owner of this brand. I think I forgot to show this page, which is like this year I will and the wish list. So there are needs and wants, and then this year I will start, quit, learn, try, visit, improve, avoid. So that is also like a really cool feature in this planner. Everything is amazing about this planner, and me being like a sucker for planners, I have been planning, like using planners since 2018. So this is going to be my 4th planner. Now if you are someone who's going to be using a planner for the first time, I think this planner might overwhelm you a little, since you have to fill in so much, you have to write in so much. So some things might overwhelm you in this planner, which is the vision board, then your mid-year goals, or like some habit trackers. I feel habit trackers are important, but at the same time very difficult to maintain. So if you miss out a day or two, you might feel like super guilty. So I think some things in this planner, if you are a beginner in using a planner, might make you feel like you are not doing a great job at using a planner. But I think it's a very, very well curated planner to have for this upcoming year, and looking at the price point, it's superb. I think it's a steal. But if you are someone who just wants काम से काम वाला planner कि मेरे को आज ये करना है, or I want to do that on that day, and I don't want to fill what all I'm grateful for, or what are my mid-year goals, or basically you just want like a life tracker, I mean a year tracker and not a planner, then you can skip this. But if you want to have fun while using a planner, you can definitely go for this planner. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you are thinking of purchasing a planner and you are interested in this planner, you can straight away head to their Instagram page and purchase this planner. I am really happy with my purchase, and I can't wait to actually start using this planner. So I can't wait for this year to get over. I've been saying this since March, but okay. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Share it with people who you think might actually find this helpful, or share this with Mridil, and let's hope she watches this. I don't know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Push the bell notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing they have been, and they also give and using my phone with this stylus, this Instagram. Don't forget to push the don't forget